Hey YouTube, it is day 9 of the flight simulator challenge. Exciting day today, a lot of stuff happened, but the main thing, I got some flight time in, kind of challenging on the beta FPV drone. It did give me a better understanding flying this outdoors as far as what the capabilities of micro quads are, but more importantly, where I can take them. And that's pretty much anywhere because of the size and being able to fly in my backyard. Let's say I find a park with a bunch of pavilions or whatnot, I can just kind of shoot through those as obstacles. I think today I'm gonna focus more on freestyling. It also taught me how to flow a little bit better, picking up my own lines, and then when I jumped into a race, it was easier to connect the dots, jumping from one gate to another. At the end, I'm gonna do some more courses. We'll see how we go do today. I've blabbed on enough. Let's get flying. Alright, I'm practicing on the Silent City circuit using the same rates as yesterday, which means they're a little bit faster. Turn, there we go. Oh, not so much. Getting ahead of myself. The goal is to go forward, roll, and end up level. Ooh, good. Powerlifting is you go do a loop and you go through it. So, Ooh, just missed it. Looks like I'm just coming up short of powerlifting. Alright, so that's where I'm gonna end as far as freestyling. So now let's see how that translates to racing. I'm gonna do that, see if I beat any of my old records to date. Yes! Definitely made a huge improvement from the other day. Today I'm at 134.17. I shaved 15 seconds off of my previous run. Let's see how much more records I can break today. Record. This is SD Magoo, one of my favorite tracks. Shaved a few seconds off and now I'm number 5. I'm at 412. I don't know when I started. Oh, SD Magoo. 5 minutes 22 seconds when I first started. So again, shaved the whole minute off. So really happy about the results so far of just training. I definitely need to work on cornering still, especially coming out from kind of like S curves, those MGP curves where I need to like just do steep turns and flip-flop all over the place. That's not for me, but it does teach me good technique. If you're doing the simulator, try different levels. I tried a hard course. I'm not at that level yet. Thank you guys for tuning in, and then I shall see you tomorrow on day 10, where tomorrow I will try to break all of my records. That's where I'm at, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye.